One of our riding partners is missing. Let's right inside the tire. How old is this bridge? Hello people, good morning from Siliguri. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. And today we are riding from Siliguri towards Meghalaya. The time is 9 o'clock. We stayed here. There was a restaurant next to this place. We had dinner there. It was late. It was about 10:30 in the night when we made it here. So when I asked him, inquired him about stay, because he had a board which said, he said the neighboring building has one. You can try there. So we decided, okay, fine. We'll just check in here and stay since it was already late. It was a long, tiring day yesterday. If you watch the video, you will know why I'm saying that. There we go. My self start didn't work since the battery is low. It was a nice budget friendly room. An old man is running the place as of now. And we can hear is the restaurant Bayleaf. Right by the highway here. Just hope the battery doesn't give any problems on the go. Jalpaiguri is 42 kilometers. The highway to Guwahati is temporarily closed due to some road work. So we need to take this route initially to reach Jalpaiguri, and from there on we will connect back to the highway. Ambari Canal Road. A nice wide canal with adequate water. Siliguri is the main junction for the northeast and Sikkim. Anybody who is visiting Sikkim or wanting to visit Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh by road, you have to come to Siliguri. The road isn't open, so we need to take this route. So we stopped here for breakfast, and I hope you can see there is the railway line. It is fogged up on that side. So beyond that fog you will find that is Bhutan. So Bhutan is there beyond that railway track, basically a few kilometers from here. We stopped here. This is the highway, and here is Hotel Sonar Bangla Family. Thank you, bhai. Nice person here. Bhutan is still not visible due to that fog cover. We're having quite some adventure here on our way to Guwahati. The bike just keeps sliding everywhere. So we've come to Dhupguri Rural Hospital. As we were heading towards Guwahati, we came across this place and decided, okay, we'll give it a shot. We'll come and give our COVID samples here and see if they will give the results. So we'll save some time. So I'm guessing by the time we reach Meghalaya, we should be getting the results. Just planning to save time basically. Since our main priority is Meghalaya, and that is where the COVID certificate is required to enter the state. I was just looking at the bike and I found this nail now. It's right inside the tire. Now we'll have a puncture the minute I pull it out. I don't know if you can see it, but finally we have a nail just stuck flat, so there's no air leaking. I will not pull it out now. I think once I pull it out, the air will leak out. Oh man, we're going to have a lot of delays. We need to find a tire puncture repair. Lucky that I spotted it actually. If this would happen somewhere on the highway, it would have caused even more trouble. Since we're in the city, we'll find a decent shop and get this job done first. भाई पंचर का दुकान है पास में, टायर शॉप सामने है. So they are doing the COVID test here and they take about 30 minutes to give us the report. These two didn't even tell me. They came, they got the test done and they have come back. I am going to get it done because I was not aware of it. So we made Yatish stand near the bike since all our luggage and all the equipment was all there. I hope he doesn't dig into my nose, you know. I've done it before in Bangalore. This is the second time. Confident it is going to be negative. Let's see.
It will be negative only. We have all the senses. Sense of smell, no headache, no symptoms.
Clear,
Name and
okay. Here is my kit for the test. They provided me the kit. My name on it. I do it here. नाक में घुसा के माथा मत नाक में किधर है मत पिलाइए, नाक में घुसाएगा, ठीक है. वो आप मत पकड़िए, इसे पकड़िए, ये एकदम भी नहीं. हाँ करके जबान बाहर निकलिए. नहीं सामने 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 और एक बार नाक में इसमें नहीं हमने ये करा तेरे सामने done with my sorry, let me wear this mask. Done with my COVID test. Now we'll go get our vehicles here since our report will come in 30 minutes. I have a nail in my tire. We'll go get that puncture fixed and then we'll do it. But for now, I'm tearing. He literally drilled into my nose. Oh man, he twisted. Samne aaye. Not happening. Not again. I've done it twice. I think this should be done. Hope it is negative. After all the effort. I'll go get this puncture fixed. Lucky I spotted it. भाई पंचर लगाएंगे. पंचर वो कटिंग प्लेयर से पहले वो निकाल दीजिए. वो कटिंग प्लेयर दीजिए, एक मिनट. कटिंग प्लेयर हाँ, प्लेयर देना, एक सेकंड. कटिंग प्लेयर. हाँ बस. हाँ छोड़िए, नहीं छोटा है, नहीं हुआ, इतना ही था वो. मैं डर गया था इसीलिए लेके आया दुकान के पास. सॉरी भैया, नहीं हुआ. That was a lucky strike. He threw it off. I wanted to show it to you guys. वो आ गया भाई बाहर. मेघालय. बैंगलोर से. बैंगलोर. 5 दिन लगा. ठीक है भाई, थैंक यू. So we got our RT-PCR test report, and the most positive result was an antigen negative result. So we are negative. So the COVID situation is sorted out. Let's see what other roadblocks we have ahead. So anyone who's traveling to Meghalaya, you can come to Dhupguri and request them for a COVID report, COVID test, and you can collect the report instantly. Remember that. You can come there free of cost, no charges. It's a government rural hospital. You can get it done there and travel with peace of mind. Heavy vehicles not allowed on this bridge. How old is this bridge? Like metal and wooden frame with a metal platform. Waiting for our turn to cross the bridge. All these bridges are really old. All wooden bridges. Yeah. And there is a road down as well. Why do people come up then? नाम क्या है तेरा? नाम क्या है? मन गया? नाम बताओ.
अभिगुल मुंडो.
कौन सा क्लास में पढ़ाई कर रहा? 4th
फोर्थ.
स्टैंडर्ड. अभी तो लीव, छुट्टी. अभी छुट्टी.
हाँ अभी छुट्टी. लॉकडाउन हो गया.
लॉकडाउन हो गया तो छुट्टी हो गया. छुट्टी में क्या कर रहा है? हेमन एसपी. हेमन एसपी बोल के आएगा. Ako, type mado. We stopped here for tea, and we have some people who gathered. Space P no, antala. We stopped here for tea, and we gathered around some attention here. पक्का. रिटर्न आते टाइम रोकेंगे. देखेंगे कब आएंगे पता नहीं ना. रात पे आएंगे, दिन पे आएंगे तो पता नहीं. तो देखेंगे. They are all busy looking at the video, and I myself am here. हाँ, I am here.
यूट्यूब में सर्च करने से आएगा.
हाँ,
मेरा भी आएगा.
पक्का आएगा. बंदे मुंदे के संगे सेल्फी देगी. आ जाओ, सेल्फी खींचेंगे, फोटो खींचेंगे. हाँ, राहुल. हाँ, आ जाओ. राहुल ಬರ್ತಾರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Squeeze him inside. ಹಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ಇಡಿ. ಹಂಗೆ ಇಡಿ. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? हाँ, इस तरफ लाइट आएगा थोड़ा. तेरे फोन से भी एक. वन मोर फैन मोमेंट मम. ಈ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ತಮ್ಮನೇಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮಮ್. बहुत सारे लोग आते रहते हैं ना बाइक में यहाँ.
बहुत आता है. केरला से आता है, बेंगलोर से,
हाँ,
दार्जिलिंग से बहुत आता है.
इससे सब जगह से यहाँ पर ही आता है.
ये पर
यहाँ पर रुकता है.
नहीं है जगह अच्छा है.
असम में कुछ नहीं है. असम में अच्छा नहीं है. उधर ठीक है. केरला बेंगलोर
बड़ा बिल्डिंग करके क्या करेंगे? बड़ा बिल्डिंग रख के
अच्छा लगता है ना.
दिखने, हमें यही दिखने अच्छा लगता है ना.
दोस्त लगा ऊपर बिल्डिंग का परमिशन नहीं देता है, लेकिन उधर बहुत वर्षा हाई हाई है.
हमें बिल्डिंग देख के थक गया. हाँ,
सागर सागर अच्छा है. सागर सागर पर बेंगलोर में
कहाँ है वो?
सागर पर
हाँ, समुद्र चेन्नई में मिलता है। मैंगलोर में मिलेगा, मैंगलोर में मिलेगा, चेन्नई में मिलेगा, बैंगलोर में नहीं मिलता, केरला में मिलता है, वहाँ सब मिलता है। हाँ, मेरी क्रिसमस। ठीक है, थैंक यू, बाय। It's just 4:30 in the evening and the sun is already set here. We just waited until the sun set and then we started riding. I just wanted to see that beautiful sunset. It just happens in a few minutes. Clicked a couple of photos. You want to view those photos, I'll be posting them on Instagram. The Instagram link is in the description and I'll just put up the ID on the screen. Huge traffic pile up on two sides of the road. I don't know for what joy. Completely stopped. Every single truck is stopped here. I have no idea why or what for. What's the reason, but each and every single truck has been asked to park. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೋ, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಇವನು, ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲೋ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿದಾನ ಏನೋ. One of our riding partners is missing. We waited for a while and he didn't show up, so we formed a search party and we're going backwards. It is dangerous to ride on the wrong side, but we have no other option, so we're just riding back slow. His phone isn't connecting. That is the major problem. His Sena's battery was out. Everything happened at the same time, which was not right for us. We're going back now. We weren't going too fast. We were all together. All of a sudden, Yatish didn't see him in the rearview mirror and we stopped. We've come quite some distance on the wrong side now, but still no sign of him. Okay, the road is getting narrower. This white line is disappearing. Hey, yellow, you know. ಇಲ್ಲ 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 ಅದಿನ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬಾ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಆ ಕಡೆನೇ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಹೆಂಗೋ ಕಂಡಿಡಿಯೋದು, ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಬಾ. ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗೈ? We went to the spot last where we stopped. I mean, they were waiting for me and I caught up with them and we started riding. We went all the way back till there and we couldn't find him. I'm guessing he would have gone forward. So we'll just ride forward for a while now and see. We don't know whether he is ahead of us or behind us. This is a big confusion when we lost connectivity. ಏನೋ ಅವನೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. So Rahul somehow managed to call Yatish and he said he is at a HP petrol pump. So we are going ahead now. So he has confirmed that he overtook us and went. But we didn't notice that. There his bike is. ನಾವು ಹಿಂದೆನೇ ಇದ್ರಿ, ನೀನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋದ್ವಿ ರಾಂಗ್ ರೂಟಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಗಾಡಿ ಬೇರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ಯಾ, ಅದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾರ ನಮಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿದೆ? ಫ್ಲೈಓವರ್ ಹೋದ್ರು
ಫೋನ್ ಬೇರೆ ಆಫ್
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ.
ಇವ್ರ ಫೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಫೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಡ್ ಕೇಳ್ತದೆ.
ಹೌದು ಕೇಳುತ್ತೆ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್
ಐಕ್ಲೋಡಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಇದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ, ಫೈನ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟು, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಅದು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸರಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಫೈನಲಿ ವಿ ಫೌಂಡ್ ರಾಹುಲ್, ದ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ಎಸ್, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಅಹೆಡ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಭಯ್ಯ. So these guys at this HP petrol pump helped Rahul get in touch with us. Nothing happened to him. He overtook us and we didn't notice that. We were waiting, we went back and decided to go forward because we had a hunch that he might have gone ahead. So he was waiting for us in the same way. But when he was waiting for us, there were 4 people who came to him and they were all drunk is what he said. So they were asking questions, they were fiddling with the bike and all that stuff. So he quickly moved from there and came to this petrol pump, tried to get in touch with us, and he got Yatish's number online and called him. That is through his Google accounts. Got his phone number and used the phone at the petrol pump. We were just there, about 2 kilometers behind, that's it. Not too far. But as I said, all done. No issues at any cost. Now we go ahead. Let's reach Guwahati.